From AccuWeather.com, this is AccuWeather Daily, a brief host-read article. It's weather news in a nutshell. AccuWeather meteorologists are warning that those with some outdoor plans late this week and into the weekend in the Midwest and the Northeast may need a little bit of an adjustment. It's a blast of frigid air accompanied by gusty winds is on the way. AccuWeather's senior meteorologist Bob Larson said the air will be cold for much of the Midwest, but probably a few degrees higher than what it has already occurred in recent weeks. It will still be formidably cold in the Midwest, with temperatures about 10 degrees below the historical average for a couple of days. Brisk to blustery conditions will accompany the cold air near the Great Lakes region. Now, for example, Chicago's high was in the teens back on December the 12th, and low temps around that date were in the single digits. The air coming in is likely to bring highs in the upper 20s on Saturday and Sunday, and lows in the teens on Friday night and Saturday night. Factoring in the wind and other conditions, AccuWeather real field temperatures will dip into the single digits at times. Conditions will be not much better in northwestern Indiana for the highly anticipated football game between Indiana and Notre Dame on Friday night. The cold air and wind will be more intense in the Northeast. In New England, the Mid-Atlantic, and parts of the central Appalachians and eastern Great Lakes region will likely be the coldest air of the season so far from late Friday all the way through Sunday. Instead of much of the air being warmed by the open waters of the Great Lakes like the last Arctic blasts that traveled through, this cold outbreak will be more direct because it will be forced southward from Quebec and eastern Ontario. Now, that means there will be little warming that takes place. AccuWeather's senior meteorologist Tom Kynes said that when combined with gusty winds in the wake of a strengthening Alberta Clipper storm on Thursday, it will feel painful to be outdoors for a significant length of time if not properly bundled up from the central Appalachians to the mid-Atlantic coast and New England Friday and Saturday. Fans heading to State College, Pennsylvania for the game between SMU and Penn State should bundle up with lots of layers. Around New York City, there have been multiple days in December where the high temperature has only been in the low to mid-30s. The lowest temperatures at night were in the mid-20s this past weekend. Factoring in the cold air coming this weekend, new low temperature marks will be set for the season so far. Highs on Sunday and Monday are forecast to be in the mid-20s, with nighttime lows to range from the upper 10s to the low 20s around New York City. Those heading to Manhattan for holiday activities and Broadway shows this weekend will encounter AccuWeather real field temperatures no higher than the teens and at times in the single digits as the cold winds are funneled through the concrete canyons created by the buildings. Winds from the north and northwest will average 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts between 35 and 45 miles per hour Friday and Saturday in the northeast. In portions of the southeast, the cold air coming in late this week and this weekend may also rival season lows so far. The outbreak of cold air will set off more bands of lake effect snow from Friday through the weekend. Shifting winds may bring accumulating snow to some areas that have avoided much lake effect so far. That's all for now. You can find more stories and regional forecasts at AccuWeather.com, and for your local forecast at your fingertips, download the AccuWeather app. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be back tomorrow with more from AccuWeather.